Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, very rare. I hardly ever see these around. It's a 1967 Buick GS400 with some great options. I got Vincent here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Vincent?
How you doing? I'm okay. The car's been gone over. It has a new paint job, new vinyl top, new
What's the color called, you know?
Aqua. I don't know the code. Brand new tires, new rims, new suspension. It's an original numbers matching car. I believe it has about 89,000 original miles.
Wow.
The motor was gone through, a new main seal and timing chain, things like that. So
Freshened up.
it's really tight, the motor. And
So it's numbers matching?
yes, numbers matching. Has power seats, air conditioning, very rare reclining passenger seat.
Yeah, I've
which
never seen that
seen.
before. Yeah.
It's a really sharp car. Everything works.
Automatic transmission.
Yeah.
What kind of tranny?
Has a high performance 3-speed. I forget what they call it, but it was a special high performance transmission. They built in '67 for Buicks.
Wow. Yeah, you don't really see these around. You see your typical GTOs and stuff like that, but you don't see these GSs.
Yeah, it's very solid, no rust car. The trunk pan was redone. The floor pans, I believe, are original and unrusted. No rust whatsoever.
Beautiful vinyl roof.
New mufflers, brand new vinyl top, new paint.
This paint is gorgeous.
It's not perfect, but it's very close to show quality. Just needs a couple of things to put it over the top.
So pretty. Great color too. Very California. Seems like the color they'd put on all the magazines and brochures, you know?
Yeah, that's what I noticed with this. Back in '67, this was the hot color. The turquoise outside with the turquoise interior.
I even have the original T3 headlight on it.
Well, I believe it's called Aqua. People called it Aqua.
Pretty cool. Brand new Redlines. Those are Silverton Radials. Not cheap, man.
Yeah, 0 mileage on the tires and rims.
What'd you do to the suspension? New shocks or?
Yeah, we bought it when we purchased it. It was low, so we put it back to the original height. All new springs and shocks.
Vinyl roof looks brand new too.
Yeah, brand new top, new windshield, new glass, rear glass. Most of the trim had been polished up. There's a couple of pieces that are original. They're in good shape. Not perfect, but very nice.
Yeah, this trim's really hard to find, honestly.
Yeah, it's not dinged or anything.
Yeah.
All the stainless is mint.
Yeah, it's really nice. Pop the hood, let's check it out.
Sure.
Wow, very nice. So it's a 400 4-barrel, power steering, power brakes.
Yeah.
Brand new alternator, all new belts.
Yeah, all new belts, new compressor lines.
Yeah,
I mean, everything's been gone
brand
through.
new.
Everything's been replaced. I'd say 95%. New brakes. We put the dual master, power master. It was original a power brake car. Power steering.
Great.
Brand old tune-up wires, plugs. We're done. The whole thing was gone through. Runs great.
Really nice. You fired up?
Sure.
You don't really see these around, especially in this shape. So basically, this is a gentleman's GTO.
Yeah.
Pretty much, right?
Sleepers in '67, nobody realized how.
Yeah.
Doing some research, I found that they were the strongest out of all the pony cars, the GTO and the Chevelles at the time. This was the most powerful.
Wow, very cool. Brand new mirrors. Love the wood wheel.
Starwars breather, which is very rare. Usually you don't find them on them anymore.
Power seat, brand new sills. Beautiful door panels. This armrest looks new too.
Yeah, brand new. All this was Rechromed.
Yeah.
Everything was redone. Anything that needed to be done was done. Not 100%, but close to.
Yeah, new carpets, new seat covers.
Yeah.
Pretty. It's like original headliner, but in great shape.
Yeah.
Love the wood wheel. 72,083 miles. Very cool.
Yeah, that's the original mileage. I think I said 89,000, but I was wrong.
Yeah, what a cool car. Aqua. Is the back seat recovered also?
Everything, yeah. All the upholstery was redone.
Wow.
Door panels are replaced. The armrests were reupholstered. And those are the Deluxe armrests with the chrome, the big chrome backing. Very rare also.
Wow. A nice sound. What kind of mufflers you put on it?
I'm not sure. I think we went back to the factory style muffler.
It's got such a cool retro look. It's way better than like a typical GTO or something like that. You just don't see these around. I like the headrests and stuff.
I would have kept it myself. I just have too many cars.
Yeah, me too. Man, what a pretty car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's WeBeAutos.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot for showing us your car. We really appreciate it.